And the USA 2026 World Cup qualifiers group stage course in the no Ghana and Madagascar and you see any Morocco Montana so obiabo away. Now at the end of the day, no Ghana me able more than 3-0 against Madagascar. Now in this very moment the goals highlight Thomas Tepate able 2 goals, Anna Kudus as able 1 goal no etato. It's more how the goals came, the goals highlight. Ghana falls within the group 1. In the group 1, remember the point outline. Baby, Ghana that any points to do a yewo. I have Penyah block media. Must say any demo over like a video no that over subscribe button so. Now we click notification icon of latest updates. I bet you watch when dear mama. Ewo comment. Mess I say no share video no so any be. Actually, 80 USA for 2026 World Cup, FIFA World Cup course now on the both group stage qualifiers. It's Ghana fall within group 1. It's group 1 no countries say Ghana, Madagascar, Mali, Comoros, Central African Republic, and Chad. 80 group 1, you have 5 teams in the Bishia. You have Mali, Comoros, Central African Republic, Chad, and Madagascar. But Nyamya Domo, you have Mali for share, you have 2-1. You have Chad for share, Chad for 5-0. And you have Madagascar, you have born in one, but at the end of the day, no, you have it's Mama 3-0 against Madagascar.
To take it short in the end. To bring down there for Francis, and the referee is given a free kick. Couturier complains to the referee, to the man who plays for lower division Villefranche in France. Finally, ball comes in from Ayew, back post. The kick's been given to Ghana, which has surprised Warren Caddy, man who plays in second division football in Switzerland, in the challenge. So then Jordan Ayew with the free kick once more, slightly further out this time as we head towards the 10-minute mark. Madagascar 0, Ghana 0. In it comes from Ayew, back post, oh yes! Well, they had a dress rehearsal with a free kick a few moments ago, but this time right on the money. And Thomas Partey, who was so good against Chad last Friday, comes up with the goal here that opens the scoring for the Black Stars in this top-of-the-table clash. Well, there aren't many fans in tonight, but those that are here absolutely delighted. It's a brilliant delivery and a great header, giving Dupierre no chance at all in the Madagascar goal. Mensah, first time ball in. Oh, it might come well. Shot by Kudos. Had a terrific game again. In comes the corner then. Ghana in front. Midfielder in his day. Long ball forward. A little push there from Semenya, it looked like, but very good defending nonetheless. Back again from Radrian and Penyah. Out wide. They're gathering in the middle as well. It's a decent ball in the first time that Madagascar really threatened. Ghana collecting it back in midfield. Good tackle though. Madagascar, though, despite...
Take your drop! Take this! Take this! Drop! Inside, Jordan, inside!
Good tackle by Salisu, according to the referee, so Ghana are able to carry on. Forward there by Kudos. All the way across and a sliding challenge. Great ball in. Looking at the referee because he didn't give the challenge earlier on, but a great ball in by Penyah. Picked up in the middle by Francis. Still going, trying to let Turkey at Fenerbahce. Here they come once more, though. That's lovely play in the middle, and a shot goes wide from Raveloson. No, it's a Ghana player throwing themselves at it. Madagascar 0, Ghana 1. Ghana on the attack, looking for a second goal. Need a few people in support, though. He's trying to wait for them. Is Semenyo. That wasn't great from the Auxerre man. And Salisu is forced to evade Warren Caddy and send it back to the goalkeeper, who also has to avoid the centre forward and does well. Here it comes, Ghana into the middle, looking at the referee, who has given a goal kick. I thought he was pointing at the spot for a moment, but no. Little smile from the referee as well. Kudos, who was the man who went down under the Akampandi. Nice little play here. This is better from Madagascar. Now a chance to get forward with Randri and Penyah. Yep. But where they would really like to be is in North and Central America for the World Cup next year. And an early shot straight on from distance that goes wide. Well, Kudos looking a little bit disappointed there. That was ambitious, though, to be fair. One of the few players that didn't either score or set up a goal against Chad last Friday. And Madagascar have given the ball away again. From distance again, over the top from Jordan Ayew this time, and well, that wasn't any better than the last shot. Jordan Ayew, though, in terrific form of late.
I just said the ball was not
Couturier again, and he's going to try from distance this time. I think it was supposed to be a shot, but it wasn't exactly the cleanest contact by the midfielder, and it wound up nearly being a really good cross. 5 goals for Jordan Ayew. It's one behind Mohamed Salah coming into this game, the Egyptian. They play tomorrow in their group. Looking for Jordan Ayew on the edge of the area. And we're thinking about another shot from distance. Kudos lays it out wide. It's a decent ball of fans inside this otherwise empty stadium to cheer. It's a brilliant ball in, and a really good rise into the air by the Arsenal man. And Ghana lead by 2-0 in this top of the table clash against the team from the middle of the Indian Ocean. In Turkey. Down to walking pace in the middle. Jordan Ayew, though, tries to inject a little bit of pace. Lovely ball through. And the third goal. Well, smash and grab. And it's Kudos who scores the third goal and surely makes the 3-point save. Well, they've taken this game apart inside the first 12 minutes of the second half. And Madagascar didn't get the next goal, which they surely needed. Good strength shown by the captain, Jordan Ayew, in the middle. And then a little ball through, Kudos shaking off his marker. And scoring his first goal of this World Cup qualifying campaign. There's Akampandi. At the sharp end of the pitch. John Badjo brings it down beautifully and delivers a decent ball into the box. Again, though, it's dealt with. Raveloson.
It will buy a group one night Ghana fall within Ghana and the leading team in the group with 15 points and what 10 goals. Ghana lead with 15 points and what 10 goals. That's all cut down. So Madagascar and it also lead with 10 points plus what 3 goals. Normally about 9 points plus 4 goals. Nakromos about 9 points plus 1 goal. Central African Republic so about 5 points plus what 5 points minus 5 goals. Because almost at the minus 5 goals. Not Chad about 0 point minus 13 goals. Yes, Chad are considered 13 goals in this 2026 FIFA World Cup, group stage qualifiers. It's Ghana, yeah, sure, you're born home, you're born Paisley with me, pushy. Go group stage, means Ghana qualifier, and it's a group stage there. You qualify 80, you're planning, ahead the big matches ahead. Portugal, or Brazil, or yeah, working hard. So far, this is the performance of the Black Stars. So far as the 2026 FIFA World Cup, concern. If you are the comment section, I Penyah Block Media.